Okay, so have you solved any few questions of the previous year KCET? Have you solved? Yes, yes or no? Yes, have you solved? Yes, no response.
Ma'am, I haven't solved, ma'am.
You haven't solved. And what about others? Pranil, Vedant?
Not yet.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
No one solved. No one. Abhiram, Saujanya, Apeksha?
No, ma'am.
No. Why no? Why no?
There was other stuff, so
Okay. Okay. There are other stuffs. Yes, Navneet. Navneet M.
Yeah.
Yes, so shall we discuss few questions of the previous year KCET?
Yeah.
Okay. So the PDF what yesterday you all of you have shared with me, there you have solutions already. So let us discuss some new questions. I think the Arjuna Academy modules will also be shared to you very soon. So just give me. Let us discuss few questions from there. Is my screen shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you able to see the sequence of questions?
no, ma'am. It's stuck in the that node, one note for Windows 10. It's still stuck there.
Oh, just wait. Now, is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I hope all of you are able to see the questions. So from here, we have discussed few questions also in the previous class, in the previous session. So try question number 5. Try question number 5. Yes, try this question. What is given? What is given in the question? That tan A is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. And it is given that 3 pi by 4 is less than A less than pi. Now, we need to find the value of cos 2A. How can we find? How can we find? Yes?
They've already told us in which quadrant it is and what the tan value is.
Yes,
So,
what the tan
We
values.
can find secant from that, and
We can
from
find
secant we
secant
can
and then we
cos.
can find cos.
Dears, just see
Yes, ma'am,
that
cos 2A.
cos 2A is there, not cos A. Not cos A. It is cos 2A.
Now, if we find cos A,
Yes,
we
ma'am,
can
if
do
you
cos
find
A
cos
plus
A, we
A.
can still find cos A.
Cos of A plus A. Okay, then you are saying that you will find cos A, sin A. It is cos A, cos square A minus sin square A, isn't it? Or it is also 2 cos square A minus 1. Yes. Okay. Any
You
other
can use
short
the
method?
arithmetic function of cos 2A equals 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan.
Very good. Yes. Whenever you are in your competitive exams, you don't get much time. So the best way to do it very shortly is It is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. That is the best thing. You know what is tan A, isn't it? Your tan A is going to be minus 3 by 4. Just put the value and get the answer. Just put the value, get the answer. Yes, the process what you have said, that is also right, that from here we can find the sec A and from there cos A, and then we use this formula 2 cos square A minus 1. That is the reason I said that all the formulas should be on your fingertips. Okay, Rupak, turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Asit Rao,
Hello,
Asit Rao, yes.
ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
But I'm not able to see you, Asit.
Ma'am, my camera is turned on.
In any of the classes, I'm not able to see Asit.
Then I think it must be some Zoom error. I think I have to uninstall it and install it again.
Yes, do it today itself.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I will do
Yes,
it after
Rupak.
class.
Rupak, turn on your camera. Yes, tell me the answer. What's the answer?
Can you
No, I'm not able to see Rupak till now. Yes, now it's fine. Yes, what is the answer? Just substitute. Just substitute and find.
Ma'am, 7 by 25.
7, yes, everyone got 7 by 25. Everyone got 7 by 25.
Yes, ma'am, 7 by 25.
7 by 25. Another one more thing. We know that cos x or cos of any angle lies between -1 to 1. Isn't it? It lies between -1 to 1. Just by seeing the question, we can discard option C and option D. Just by seeing the question, you can just decide yourself that option C and option D is also not the answer. Why? Because 25 by 7 means how much? It is 3 point something, greater than 1. It is not possible at all. Minus 25 by 7, it is minus 3 point something. The value of cost cannot be less than -1. So, but just by seeing also, you can discard 2 options and you need to fight between A and B. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more question. It is from your previous year KCET. This is the PDF you all are shared. Question number 2, answer is already given. So don't tell me that method. Question number 2. Question number 2. If anyone is saying the answer, I'll ask the method also. Yes. You are given a triangle ABC. The question is, in a triangle ABC, the sides are A equals to 3, B equals to 4, B equals to 5, and C equals to 4. Then what is sine B by 2 plus cos B by 2? What is sine B by 2 plus cos B by 2? How can we solve it? These are important in prospective of your board exams and KCET, both. You are given a triangle ABC and the sides are A is equals to 3, B is 5, and C equals to 4. We know that 3, 4, and 5 are said to be the Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Are you aware of this term?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Pythagorean triplets. So definitely this triangle is going to be a right angle triangle. And B is 5. Mean this is going to be the largest side. So this is
Ma'am, is it
going
option A, ma'am? Answer
answer A. How?
A. Ma'am, side B is supposed to be 90 degrees, so 90 by 2 is 45
Why
degrees,
B
so sin
is
45.
why B is 90 degrees? Why only B is 90 degree? Why not any other? I
Ma'am, it's
will take
given
the,
triangle ABC, so the almost like the B angle
so
is
if I
supposed to
say
be.
that ABC, if I say like this triangle ABC, so is it not correct?
Mom, opposite side is longer than the other two sides.
Yes, B. Yes, I had to give small b is 5 as given in the question. That's fine. I'm talking about the angle here. I'm talking about the angle. Yes, Archita. Remember one thing that whenever you are given angle and sides both in the question, angle and sides. So if any, this is for any triangle, not only the right angled one. If this is your triangle ABC, then the side opposite to angle A is going
Excuse
to be
me,
your
ma'am.
A. Yes.
Ma'am, are you writing, ma'am?
Yes, I'm writing.
Ma'am, because the screen is stuck.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't see the annotations, ma'am.
Bye.
You can present it like for your entire computer instead of one page.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay. If anything happens, just let me know early because, okay, not so important. Okay. Whenever we have any triangle ABC, like ABC is written, the side opposite to angle A is always going to be your A. This is the side. And the side opposite to angle B is going to be your B. And the side opposite to angle C is going to be your C. Keep this in mind. This is always, this is the standard notation. The side opposite to angle A is A, side opposite to angle B is B, side opposite to angle C is C. This is what the standard notation is. Is it okay? Now, okay, now you say. Now you say. Here B is equals to 5 is going to be the largest side. So that is the hypotenuse. The angle opposite to it is going to be your angle B. That's why the angle is B. That's why it is B. Now, in the question, it is given that sine B by 2 plus cos B by 2. Okay. Sine B by 2 means 45 degree. And cos B by 2 is again cos 45. So if you add both of them, you're going to get 2 by root 2, which is equals to root 2. Okay, this is one approach. I appreciate. Who has done? Who is it? Who told?
Ma'am, Tejas.
Tejas. Good Tejas. Now, supposing we are given to find sine B by 2 and cos B by 2 only. Cos B by 2 only. But your B is 45 degree. Suppose, I'm just giving an example. So how are you going to find?
30 plus 15. Yeah. Sorry.
30 plus 15. So how will you find? Oh, you will find sine 15 and then you will do. Yes, that's so.
From 90 degree minus 45 degree.
90 degree means minus, I couldn't get. Yes, can you explain 90 degree minus 45 degree means?
Mom, we're just splitting, like I just splitted this 45 degree like this. That's all. 90 degree minus 45 is nothing but 45.
Okay. Okay, after that.
90 degree minus 60 plus 15 degrees.
OMG. 90 degree minus 60
Plus 15 degrees.
plus 15. And any more approach? I'm happy that you all are working on it. You all are thinking. I'm very happy about that. Navneet M, turn on your camera. Navneet M, can you please turn on your camera, Navneet?
It's on only.
No.
Now can you see?
Yes, Samita. I think she's typing.
What if
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Oh,
what
yes,
if we,
you are
like,
there. That's fine. Yes,
What?
Apeksha.
what if we like multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2? And then if we take 2 sine b by 2 plus cos b by 2, we get sine b plus cos b. Or am I thinking it wrong?
Wait. What are you saying? Yes, somewhere you are near. Sine, multiply and divide. Okay. Here also I'll multiply and divide. Okay, this is cos 2b by 4. Dheeraj Nayak, turn on your camera. Okay, then what are you saying? Then how can you use sine 2b formula here?
No,
Because-
like we'll multiply the whole thing by 2.
Okay, the whole thing by 2 you're saying.
Yes, ma'am.
The whole thing by 2 means 2 sine b by 2 plus cos b by 2.
By 2. The whole thing by 2. So we
Yes.
cancel out. If we like 2 sine b by 2 plus cos b by 2 would be sine b plus cos b. The whole by
2 sine b, wait a minute. 2 sine b by 2 plus 2 cos b by 2. What is the formula
ma'am.
of sine 2
From the
beta?
flush shouldn't come.
No. Samita, Aishwarya, both of you turn on your cameras. Samita and Aishwarya, both of you turn on your cameras. See, I'm not. Aishwarya S, are you there? Aishwarya S, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm there. Ma'am, the internet is actually very bad today, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, then what if we take sine b by 2 plus cos b by 2 as sine n plus sine cos n? And then we write 2
Okay.
sine.
Sine m plus cos n you are saying. And
Yes.
then 2 sine.
No. We'll take sine b by 2 plus cos b by 2 as sine m plus sine s plus cos n.
Sine m plus cos n. Sine m plus cos n, do we have any relation? One thing we can do is for cos n, I can write as sine 90 minus n. Then use sine m plus sine n formula. We have formula for sine m plus sine n, sine m minus sine n, cos m plus cos n, and cos m minus cos n. For these four, we have the formula. Not for sine m plus cos n. Okay, without wasting any time, let me think. Whenever in any question of your competitives, you are given a certain angle and you are asked sine and cos of that angle, of the half of that angle, then the best way is to square. Just square it. Then sine beta by 2 plus cos beta by 2 whole square. What will it be? Yes, a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2 sine beta by 2 cos beta by 2. This is what we have. Yes? Yes? What is sine square beta by 2 plus cos square beta by 2?
1.
1. 1 plus we have 2 sine beta by 2 cos beta by 2. Can I write it as sine beta or sine B only? Or sine B or sine beta, whatever. Because your sine 2B is equal to 2 sine B cos B. 2 sine B cos B. Kanishka, turn on your camera. Kanishka Srivastav, turn on your camera. Yes. Sine 2B is written as 2 sine B cos B. Suppose I take 2B as C. Then what is your sine C going to be? If 2B is your C, B is your C by 2. Just the half of this. 2
Cosine
sine
C by 2 cos C by 2.
cos C by 2. So for 2 sine B by 2 cos B by 2, I can write it as sine B. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 plus sine B I got. Cos B by 2 plus, cos B by 2 plus sine B by 2 whole square is your 1 plus sine B. You are given the angle B. So from here you can easily find what is this.
Can you again explain how we get sine B?
How did you do that sine B, ma'am?
Sine B. Listen, after squaring, these two terms club up to get 1. And what is left is 2 sine beta by 2, 2 sine B by 2 cos B by 2. We are left with this. Do you remember the double angle formula? Do you remember the double angle formula of sine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is sine 2x? It
2
was
sin x
Sin
cos
x
x.
cos x.
It was 2 sin x cos x. This is the double angle formula we had. Means if I take sine of any angle, then it is nothing but 2 sine
Half of that angle.
angle by 2 and cos angle by 2. Isn't it? Here 2x is there, twice the one, only single angle is there. Means basically dividing by half, isn't it? 2x by 2 is x now. Okay,
Yes.
for this only I am writing sine 2x is nothing but your 2 sine 2x by 2 cos 2x by 2. For x, I have written just 2x by 2. So, suppose if your 2x is some angle y. So I can write it as sine y is 2 sine y by 2 cos y by 2. Can I write? Now you understood? Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, others, everyone, how many of you understood? How many of you understood?
Ma'am, I have a
Can you
doubt, ma'am.
repeat it again, ma'am?
Again, you want to, where you are not able to understand here? You just tell me.
How we can take, like, for example, sine y? How is it like sine y by 2 and cos y by 2?
Ma'am, we're using one formula, no, ma'am?
Yes, we are using this double angle formula. The
Yes,
one
ma'am.
which I have put in the box. See, whatever the angle is here, sine of the angle, whatever we have, we are just reducing it to half. Here, sine 2 sine x and cos x. X is the half of 2x, isn't it? Isn't it?
Ma'am, why is it not 2 sine x by 2, ma'am?
This we have proved. Why sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x? We have proved it. This is one formula which we have proved. Confused? Samyak, Aishwarya, turn on your cameras. Diksha Bhaskar. Samyak, Aishwarya S, Diksha Bhaskar. Diksha Bhaskar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, turn on your camera, Diksha.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you just scroll up a bit, ma'am?
Still here?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever sine 2x or sine 2b is nothing but your 2 sine b cos b. So this is basically half of this. This is the basically the half of this. Any more confusions?
No, ma'am.
Everyone? Everyone, any more confusions? Kanishka Srivastava? Any doubt, Kanishka? Kanishka, are you there? Kanishka, are you there? Apeksha,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Kanishka,
not
are you
taking-
there?
Ma'am?
Yes. Huh?
Here we are not taking the value of b, ma'am. You told it is 45 now.
Huh. Means I'm teaching a very general concept to you that whenever an angle B is given to you and you are asked to find this type of expression, then the method to do is to just square. That is what I wanted to teach.
But we never used b is equal to 45.
No, if you use C B equals to 45, you can't find because sine 45 by 2, cos 45 by 2.
In the first method that we tried, it was possible, no?
Yeah, it was possible, but there B was given to be 90. So B by 2 was 45 and you
No,
know
ma'am,
the
not
value.
there, ma'am. In which that Apeksha told that method, ma'am.
Apeksha, you told which method?
This one here, ma'am. No.
Ma'am, no, it isn't possible with that. We
Oh,
got
what
plus nine.
Apeksha told was to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. But that is not giving any conclusion to us. It was 2 sine B by 2 plus cos B by 2 plus 2 cos B by 2. It was not, we are not able to conclude with it.
Ma'am, I think it's talking about 30 degree plus 15.
Okay, means if you're given any known angles, that's a different case. So what about if your angle B by 2 is unknown to you? What about if angle B by 2 is unknown to you? Like you get B by 2 as 67 degrees. Means any unknown angles where you do not know the divided part, then what will you do? Always this won't work. Yes, if there are known angles, this thing is fine. But what if unknown angles are given to you? Yes, Bhumika Kittur. Pranil, Bhumika, turn on your cameras. Why do you switch it off in the middle?
I was drinking water.
My sister had come on also.
No problem. Okay, Samita, I received your message. Okay. Now, Aishwarya S. Now, is it clear to everyone? Shall we move ahead? Shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, now shall we see the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I think question number 3 you can do of your own. Okay, try question number 8. Try question number 8. This is asked in 2006. Try quick. This is a very basic question. Try it. Everyone. Samita is going to tell me how should I approach. Samita, first of all, have you submitted your classwork and assignment? I think no, both you haven't
Yes,
submitted.
ma'am. Ma'am, the day you had sent that message, ma'am, early morning, I sent it that time only, ma'am. I had actually completed. I forgot to send it. Ma'am.
Oh, great. Great. Classwork, I think your classwork is pending till now.
Ma'am, the thing is, I've written all of them. Ma'am, the running notes and classwork was merged, ma'am. I've written all of them.
So
Should I show it here?
No. Here, how can I see? Here, how can I see? Here, how can I see? I think you're able to see my OneNote now? No. I think, oh, I'm sorry. Just wait. Just wait. Yeah, try this question, everyone. Abhyuday Kritagya. Kritagya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't submit your classwork?
No, ma'am, I'll submit it today.
By today itself, I want for everyone. Nandan Srinivas?
Did you receive my assignment, ma'am?
No, I didn't receive.
I sent it on Monday, ma'am.
No, I'm talking about the classwork submission.
I submitted the assignment like on Monday, ma'am, not on Sunday. That's why I wanted to confirm.
Your classwork is missing.
I gave my classwork, ma'am.
Nandan Srinivas, if you want, I can show you that.
Ma'am, this is Pranil, ma'am, not Nandan Srinivas.
I'm talking about Nandan Srinivas. Then why Pranil is answering?
Ma'am, I am asking, ma'am. I'm asking if my thing is there.
Yeah, I'm calling the names for whose work I haven't received.
Yes, ma'am.
Nandan Srinivas, are you there? Nandan Srinivas. Is he absent today in the class? Nandan Srinivas is absent today. Samita Satvik Bharadwaj.
Ma'am, I told no, ma'am.
Yes, Satvik A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, why didn't you submit your classwork, Satvik?
Ma'am, I'm writing all the notes in my new book. I received it. So I'll just once finish it and submit it off. Actually, I have written in other book. I can submit that.
Yes, wherever. I just
Okay.
want the work on time.
Yes, ma'am.
No delay, works will be entertained. Satvik, first of all, you turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your camera, Satvik. Option A. Okay, what about others? Again, Abhyuday, Satvik, Atharva, Kritagya. All four of you haven't submitted your exercises. Abhyuday P. Rao. Abhyuday
Yes,
P.
ma'am.
Rao.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened, Abhyuday?
Ma'am, I told you no, ma'am. I'll submit it by today.
Okay, Satvik, you are going to also submit by today.
It's already done, ma'am. I will submit it off.
Okay, Atharva and Patil.
Yes, ma'am. Today.
Yes. You need to submit your exercises 3.3 also. Everyone, I just
Yes,
posted.
ma'am.
By today evening, I want exercises 3.3 also. Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
I have already given exercise 3.3 as assignment on last Friday only. You have got enough time to do. Today, you are going to submit exercises 3.3. All of you.
Are you going to create a new assignment for that or
No, I'm going to create. I'll just create after the class.
And
Yes.
tomorrow,
Uh-huh.
when do you have to submit?
Today, by today night.
Exercise 3.3.
Exercise 3.3. And those who haven't submitted 3.1 and 3.2, they are going to submit 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. And 3.3. Okay. So, how to solve this? Rupak, can you tell me how to solve?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Multiply whatever is there.
Hmm.
Ma'am, then we have to substitute like m is sec theta and n is tan theta.
Okay, then after that,
Ma'am, then we have to multiply, ma'am. First in the brackets, we'll take LCM.
means you are saying that it is sec theta plus tan theta whole square
Yes, ma'am.
plus 1 by
Then what?
sec theta plus tan theta. Then
Sec. Ma'am, then
Hmm.
sec theta plus tan theta, the whole square, we'll expand it.
Okay, it will be sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta
Plus 1.
plus 1.
Sec theta
Then-
plus.
Then
Ma'am, then out 1 by sec theta is there. No, ma'am, we have to multiply it inside with the denominator.
multiply inside with the denominator. Then it is sec theta. Okay, then
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Then there in the numerator 1 is there, no, ma'am. We can write it as sec square theta minus tan square theta.
okay, and the other is 1 plus tan square theta is your sec square theta. 1 plus
Yes,
tan
ma'am.
square theta is your sec square theta. So it will become 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta by sec theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Yes, then we can take 2
And
sec
then-
theta common. So it will be sec theta plus tan
Plus tan
theta. Again, in the denominator, we have the same, so it will be cancelled. Isn't it?
And only 2.
Yes, sec theta will also be only 2. Yes, everyone got this?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 is your answer. Yes, one more.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I have a class at 9:50.
you have class. I saw your schedule, it was not there.
Ma'am, NPS students have class, ma'am. That's why there's a
Even BGS students, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then it's 9:14. See, yes, today you are going to submit exercise 3.3 and for class be on time. We are starting the class 5 minutes late and leaving early. So this is not the thing which is properly done. This is not the decorum we maintain.